In love, there is no distinction between the helper and the helped. Let's go where no one recognizes us, where we are free from the shackles of this world. If you want to taste the sweetness of life, you must have the courage to face the bitterness. Seek the company of those who remind you of God. Do not be proud of wealth. It can be snatched away in an instant. Love is the river of life in this world and the hereafter. If you desire perpetual life, seek the river that has no end. The more you try to control, the more out of control you become. The heart is a mirror. Cleanse it from the dust of this world. Do not be lost in your own self. Find the beloved within. The one who truly loves does not see any faults. Empty your heart of ego, and you will fill it with love. In the garden of love, even the thorns are a blessing. When the heart weeps for what it has lost, the spirit laughs for what it has found. The beloved is both the lover and the beloved, the seeker and the sought. In the heart's quiet corner, the soul whispers its deepest secrets. The path to truth is difficult. Few are those who find it. Let go of the illusion of control and surrender to the divine will. The true seeker is content with the crumbs of divine love. You search for a pearl in the sea, search for God within your own heart. Do not be attached to this world, for it is passing like a dream. The pain of separation is the fire that burns the soul, leaving only ashes of memories behind. In the garden of my heart, flowers of joy have withered, leaving behind a barren land of sorrow. The tears that fall silently in the night speak volumes of the ache within the heart. Love's departure leaves a wound that even time cannot heal. The world rejoices in its illusions. My heart aches for the truth. I have searched for you in every corner of existence, only to find emptiness and longing. The heart weeps in solitude, longing for the beloved who is nowhere to be found. Like a wounded bird, my soul struggles to find its way back to the nest of love. The pain of love is a silent scream that echoes in the depths of the soul. Thank you for watching.